Go Plus 2.25 horsepower fitness treadmill. Household private home gymnasium. Helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. Ideal for everyday running workout at home. You will lead healthier and happier life. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Driven by a 2.25 horsepower impulse max motor, high-quality steel frame, hold people up to 220 pounds. 16 inches by 47 inches big rubber run and go. 3 manually adjustable incline levels. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display. 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour adjustable speed levels. 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access. Focus on provide best home workout experience. Go Plus.